anybody who's not here. Oh, good. Sarah's here. Good. I was missing you, Sarah. So if I ask you to describe algebra, what we did last week, can you explain that to me? Oh, look at Raymond. There's Raymond. He's got his pencil with him. Awesome. How you doing, buddy? So if you guys are going to describe what we did last week, did we give values to letters? And explain that to me. Who's going to explain that? Go ahead, Gabby. Give it a shot.
So what we did last week was we solved puzzles like I plus C equals like IC, stuff like that. That wouldn't have been one, and we gave the letters digits so that the puzzle would be true.
Ah, now I'm gonna give you right now another puzzle just like that, but it's gonna be really, really easy. And one of the reasons I love algebra is because I love both letters and numbers. And if you're a person that loves letters and numbers, algebra is the place for you to live. In fact, if I could live inside an algebra problem, I would. Are you ready? If I say A plus B equals C, can you tell me what is a possibility for both A, B, and C? So I'm going to take everybody. We're going to start with Sarah.
It could be A equals 1, B equals 2, and C equals 3.
I love it. Mark?
It could be A equals 3, B equals 4, and C equals 7.
How about perfect? What about, let's see, Antarishk?
4 plus 5 equals 9. I was going to do 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. Kelsey, what do you have?
2, 3, 5.
Brendan, what do you have?
6, 3, and 9.
And Gabby?
I can make one. I can.
Now, Gabby, did you raise your hand, honey? You're muted. And oh, hi, Penny.
246.
246. Now, I want to show you. How about you, William? Do you have one for me?
3 plus 5 equals 8.
I love it.
Mr. Kramer, when you made the 246, you did 2 line 4.
I know. That is so true. That is so true. Now, I want to give you guys another way of thinking of this. What if I decided that Sarah's answer is the only true answer? So when you do A plus B equals C, and Sarah said 1 plus 2 equals 3, what if I then did C plus D? Who thinks they can follow that pattern? Raymond, do you have that?
No.
Okay, what about you, Mark?
I think it's 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Yeah. This is an underline because I can't do 10.
What letter? Sarah?
I think that it would be G.
Ooh. Guess who just solved this puzzle? You guys did. So what about G plus H? What? Don't even tell me the number. Tell me what letter that would be.
Yes, 5, 6, 7.
All right, go Kelsey.
15.
7.
I couldn't hear you. Somebody's speaking, so I couldn't hear you.
It would be 15, which is O.
Wow. Now, guys, Brennan, question.
As
Go for it, Brennan.
G plus H equals O.
Say again, buddy.
G plus H equals O.
That is correct. Now, guys,
O isn't 15.
I want to now give you one of my favorite names. Are you ready? If I ever get a dog, I'm going to name the dog Ijadi. Do you know why?
Wait a minute.
Because,
From dollar numbers.
wait a minute. Let's see. Who sees Ijadi? Sarah sees Ijadi. Gabby sees Ijadi. Go ahead. Oh, wait. Alexander, go for it.
I remember the dollar numbers from Ijadi was something like, oh my god, I can't remember, but Y was one of the last.
Yeah. So E is what? E is the what letter?
I'm pretty sure E is like not 5.
A, B, C, D, E.
4. E is 4.
Wait, do it again. A, B, C, D, E. I hope you're
5.
looking
E
at
is
my
5.
hand.
E
And
is
then
5.
J would be, everybody say J.
10.
Everybody say O.
15.
Kelsey just did that. Everybody say T.
20.
20.
Everybody say Y.
25.
Guys, we are doing algebra right now where A equals 1 and Z equals 26. Now we could do any way we want. We could do A is 26 and Z is 1, but this is called ascending values. Now, what if I said to you, write down the word math? M-A-T-H. Everybody write down the word math vertically. Now, we all know that M is pretty close to O. Who can tell me the value of M based on Ijadi? Okay, go Mark.
13.
And A, everybody is?
1.
And T is?
20.
20.
And H as compared with J is?
8.
Now, I made a really big mistake when I wrote down those numbers. Who can tell me the mistake that I made and how to fix it? I really want to fix that mistake. Raymond, what do you see? Raymond, what did I do wrong when I wrote down the values?
They're not aligned.
What do you mean they're not aligned? I mean, the 1 and the 1 is aligned, and the 3 and the 2, and the 1 and the 8. What's wrong with that?
Because the 20 and the 2 should be with the 1s.
And the A, we're good with the A?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I mean, I forgot.
Okay, Brennan?
Not in alphabetical order like the first one.
One should get.
That's very good because the word math is definitely not in alphabetical order. Can anybody tell me there are two other big mistakes? Gabby.
The one in the 8 needs to be in the ones column, not the tens column.
Raymond, look over here, Raymond. Raymond, the 1 has to be in the ones column. The 8 has to be in the ones column. Now they're aligned, and everybody tell me the value of math. Raise your hand if you know it. And I would do the ones column first, 3 plus 1 plus 8. Carry the 1. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
42.
36.
So guess what? Math is not a dollar word.
No.
Dollar words add up to exactly 100. Now, who would like, let's go to page 1 in our packet. And if you go to page 1, I gave you a really nice sort of way to write down your words and to decide which ones are dollar words. So here's what I want you guys to do. First, go quickly to page 6. Because on page 6, I have a bunch of challenges. Now, the one I want you to look at right now are the days of the week. One of the days of the week is a dollar word. And I want you all to write down the one that you think it is on page 1. So I want you to write it out vertically, one letter on top of the other. And then let's find out if it's a dollar word. So who's going to tell me the one that they chose? Sarah, we're going to start with you.
I chose Wednesday.
You chose Wednesday. So I'm going to write out
I chose that too.
Wednesday. You did? Let's see. So I'm going to choose Wednesday, which is a very funny name. Wednesday. A very strange day. Penny, what did you choose? Penny, you have to unmute yourself. What did you choose, Penny? Which day of the week? Penny, can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, do not mute yourself. Go off mute. Stay off mute. Don't hit the button. Penny, what day of the week did you write down? Okay, you know what? Your sound is not working. Try to get your computer fixed. Maybe an adult is there and can help you. What day of the week did you try, Gabby?
Sunday, but I don't yet know if it works.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. I now have a problem with my... Okay, good. Gabby, go for it.
I tried Sunday, but I still don't yet know the answer.
I couldn't hear you.
I tried Sunday, and can we try another one after we try one?
Which one do you want to try?
No, I'm asking, can I try another one once I'm done?
Absolutely. Kelsey, which one did you want to try? Friday. Okay, everybody do their day. Everybody do their day. I'm gonna show you how I do mine. And please don't call it out if you find it.
And then you do like the brackets to add it together
Yes.
to make 10.
Very nice, Alexander. So everybody look at Sunday, please. We know that Sunday, the ones column is 10, 10, and 4, which is 24. And then we carry the 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Sunday, I'm afraid, is only 84. It's a really good number, but it's not a dollar word. Then Friday was fun because we could again do 4, 5, and 1, which is 10. We can then do 6, 8, and 9, which is 23, which together is 33. Carry the 3, 3 plus 3. Friday is even lower, So let's look at Wednesday. I think that might have been Sarah's. I kind of like the 9 and 1. Ooh. You know, in somebody is working near a kitchen where somebody is cooking. Can that person mute themselves? Thank you. I appreciate it. Now guys, I see something really cool. Do you guys see 4 and 9 and 4 and 5 make 9?
Yes.
And do you see 4 and 5 make 9?
Yes.
And do you see 4 and 5 make 9?
Yes.
What happens when we have 3 9s?
At 27.
And what's 27 plus 3?
30.
40.
And what's 30 plus 10?
40. 40.
And when we carry a 4 in the tens column, 4, 6, 8, 10. Who found a dollar word? Kelsey found a dollar word. Everybody unmute themselves. Okay, everybody unmute themselves. Wednesday is a dollar word. Now, I want everybody right now to go back to page 6. And when you're at page 6, I want you to look at the 4 numbers: infinity, Google, Googleplex, and bazillion. Who can tell me what each of those mean? And are they really numbers? Brennan, which one do you know about?
Well, infinity is not a number. Google's a number with 100 zeros. I don't know about Googleplex, and bazillion is a number.
Okay, so does anybody agree with Brennan? I'd love to hear people's opinions on infinity. Kelsey, and keep yourself unmuted. Kelsey, Gabby, Sunyi, Raymond, and Isabella, and Antarisk. And Antarisk, come back with your video.
I'm actually thinking infinity isn't a number. I know bazillion is.
So infinity has a symbol that looks like an 8 that's been knocked over. And it actually is undefined as a number, which means that we can't really define it. It's just the biggest idea about numbers that we have. So infinity isn't really a number, but it is pretty cool. Now, Brennan said that Google has 100 zeros. So is it just a 100 zeros?
No, with a 1.
At the end or at the beginning?
Beginning.
So everybody, Google is actually 10 to the 100th power. Everybody, let's do it. Ready? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. 100 times, which is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. Now, Googleplex, guys, it's the craziest number. It's a real number, but it's 10 or a 1 followed by a Google zeros. So it's 10 to the 10 to the 100th power. And we could not fit all of those zeros in our universe. Literally, we could not fit all of those zeros in the entire universe. How do I know that? Because the entire universe has less than a Google atoms. Remember, guys, atoms are the smallest things that we know. Atoms can be like hydrogen or oxygen, little tiny atoms. There are less than a Google atoms in the entire universe. So Googleplex is so ridiculous as a number, but it's fun.
Beyond visual.
Now, what about bazillion? Does anybody know how big bazillion is?
0, because it's not a real number.
Oh, who said that?
I did.
Antarisk, leave yourself unmuted. Leave yourself unmuted. Bazillion, guys, is a silly, made up. Bazillion is a silly, made up number. It is not a real number. But one of those words is a dollar word.
Oh, yes.
I want you guys to try whichever one you want. Infinity, Google, Googleplex, or bazillion. So go back to one of our first worksheets. So who wants to give me the number that they're going to try? Go ahead, Brennan.
Bazillion.
Bazillion. Okay, so bazillion. Who's going to give me another one? Who's going to try another one? Go, Kelsey.
Googleplex.
Anybody else? Go ahead, Penny.
Googleplex.
Excellent. We just wrote that one down. Does anybody else have a different one? Gabby?
Google.
Google. Now, what's interesting, Gabby, is that Google is a subset of the word Googleplex. So it would be interesting to just look at Google as well. So you guys get to work. You should all be using Ijadi, writing down these values and lining up your ones and your tens. And if anybody needs any help, any strategies, that would be awesome. I would love to help with strategy. That's what math is really all about. It's all about great strategy. Go ahead, Sarah.
I think I might have found a dollar word.
Well, don't say it yet, which one it is. Why don't you try one of the other ones while everybody else is working? Okay? Six, 9.
I found the dollar one too.
Awesome. Awesome. Try one of the other ones. Try one of the other ones. How about you, Brennan? Did you find it too, buddy?
Yes.
Good. Good, good, good. Oh, boy. This is exciting.
There's that. You have that, and that.
I'm gonna get my butt kicked. All right, we'll play tomorrow for sure.
10,
Play tomorrow.
22.
Your math wizards will pay attention.
Yeah, we're doing this.
I'm gonna give you a little more light, okay? Just be careful not to knock this stuff.
I'm calculating.
So, guys, what did everybody get for Googleplex?
100.
Unmute yourselves right now, everybody, please. Go for it. Say it out loud.
128.
28.
Yeah.
And that is awesome. And what did you get for Google? Mark, did you get it?
Yeah, 71.
Ooh. And guys, what I did is I did the 128 and I subtracted Plex because Plex was 57 and I subtracted that from 128 to get 71 like Mark. Infinity was really close, guys. It was 106. Now, everybody yell it out loud, that beautiful, silly word, which is a dollar word. Go.
Zillion.
A bazillion. Now, guys, how did you connect your tens? Can anybody give me a good strategy here? I'm going to make this a screen a little bit bigger so I can look at bazillion more critically. So, Gabby, what was the first thing you connected?
Well, I didn't do this one, but it looks like the first thing I would connect is the 1 and the 9.
I totally agree, Brennan.
And then
What's the next one? Hold on, let's get everybody involved. So, Brennan, go.
A 6 and the 4.
Oh, I love it. 6 and the 4. What's the next 10? Who's got another one? Go ahead, Alexander.
The 5, the 2, Oh wait, the one's already been used. I was gonna say the 5, the 2, and then the 1.
Well, but come on. I still think you got it.
Another thing that you could do would be the 6 and 2 2s.
The 6 is already used.
6 already been used.
But wait a minute. What about the 3? What about the 3 2s? That's 6.
That's 6.
Plus 9. That's
plus
15.
9. 15 plus 5 is 20.
Oh boy. And so everybody, what is the total? Come on, 10, 10, and 20,
40.
Lake.
40.
40. Carry the 4. 4. Come on. 6,
6,
8, and
10.
A bazillion is a dollar word. That is crazy. Now, the next challenge we're going to do, I think, is going to be a lot of fun. One of our coins. One of our coins is a dollar word. A penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, or a $half. Everybody write theirs down.
25 minutes.
You got it. Nice job.
Okay, Raymond, get started. Everybody choose a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, or a $half. And let's see what you come up with. Do you guys know that I look for dollar words whenever I see words out there? It's so much fun.
So
and
do
I
I.
find them very often. I find them. That's so cool, Alexander.
In in-person class, whenever like last year in in-person class, because I do remote now, I would during like recess time indoor recess time, I would find dollar words.
I love it, man.
Like checkerboard and wall and wall. I'd try to find all these dollar words of objects inside of the class.
Awesome, man. That is great. The sign of a truly great mathematician. Now, wouldn't that be cool if Penny's name was a dollar word? That would be cool.
Yeah.
We would have a dollar word person right in our class.
Mr. Kramer,
Yes.
I got one that's really close.
Oh, awesome, man. I can't wait to hear about it. Just keep working. about you, Penny? You have a question?
No, I just found the answer.
Awesome, awesome. Try to find this out if there's maybe a second one. Okay, what did everybody come up with? Who found values that are not dollar words? William, what did you find?
I did find the dollar word.
Oh, and which one was it, buddy? Which one was it?
It's quarter. A quarter is a dollar word.
Dude, what was your strategy?
I took the two numbers that I was at and did the addition to them and put them in between the next two numbers, the next number, and just added up.
Okay, so William, I want you to add the ones columns. As I've been doing these, William, what can you just add the ones columns, William, to get tens? Go for it. Come on, where do you see a 10?
I see a 10 at I see a 10 at 8 plus 8.
Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. It's a little more than 10. What about 8 plus 2? Do you see the 1,
Oh, yeah,
the
I see
1
that.
and the 8? That makes 10. And then what does 7 plus 5 equal?
7 plus 5 equals 12.
Plus 8 more is?
20.
So what I want you to do, William, is I want you to write down 30, 0 in the ones column, and carry the 3 on top of the tens columns. And then let's add, William. Let's see if you're right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And William, look at that beautiful solution. Who got solutions for any of the other coins? Penny, what'd you get?
Got solutions for all of them except nickel.
So what'd you get for Penny? Penny.
For penny. Oh wait. For penny, I got 32.
And while she's looking for it, who can tell me, Isabella, did you get any? What you want to share? Please unmute yourself.
For a second, I thought that 74 was one, but then I realized it wasn't.
But 74 is one. Which one is 74?
Penny.
That's right. That's right. Who got another one? Brennan?
I did nickel and it was 55.
And what did you get, buddy?
55.
You got 55. Now let's see where I made my mistake, because I got 54. And let's see, did anybody else do nickel?
Yeah, I got 54.
Oh, so Brennan, do you see 9 and 1 makes 10?
Whoops.
3,
Sorry.
5, and
Sorry, I forgot to
makes
put
10.
in the four. I must have
Oh,
mistaken it for
a 5. A 5. Very, very good. Brennan, awesome. So close. Who did dime? Who did dime? Go ahead, Sarah.
Got 30.
Louder, please.
I got 31.
31. Excellent. And who did half dollar? Mark?
Yeah, I got 89.
And of course, quarter was 100. Now, I want everybody go to a blank page. And I want you all to, if you know that a word is a dollar word, Raymond, are you listening? Besides, Raymond, there's something in front of your camera. If you know that a particular word is a dollar word, don't use that. I want you to come up with a unique word. It could be a name. It could be I don't know, a favorite sport, a dinosaur, a favorite author, some fun word that
I like
you like.
dinosaur.
So why don't you, and if you need help spelling the word, you can ask me. That's
I like
not to say that I'll know
dinosaurs.
how to, oh, you want
I
to try
like
dinosaurs?
dinosaurs.
I
I
think
have
you
this
should try it.
whole deck of dinosaur cards I got from China.
All right, so dinosaur. Did I spell it correctly?
Yes.
Okay, great. And who's got another really cool one? Brennan, what are you trying?
soccer.
Soccer, I love it. Although there's not a lot of letters in soccer. So I hope that they're very high value letters. But C and E, kind of low value letters. Penny, what word are you using?
I'm doing manatees.
Wait, which one are you doing?
What?
Can you say it again, please? A little slower.
Manatees.
Manatees. M-A-N.
I like manatees.
Manatees.
I
Penny,
like
is this how to spell
penguins.
Penny, is this how to spell manatees? Penny, can you keep yourself unmuted? Raymond, unmute. Alexander,
Yeah,
unmute.
that's how you spell manatees.
And Gabby.
Yes, it is.
It is? Okay, good. Anybody else have one they want to share?
Manatees are cute.
Go ahead, Sarah.
I'm doing slow sloths.
Slow sloths. Raymond, what are you doing, buddy?
I'm still drawing the diagram because mom's printing the packet.
So, but you can write it on any piece of paper. Raymond, just come up with a word that you can try.
Maybe basketball.
I love it. Go ahead, write it down. Who has another one? Go ahead, Mark.
I'm doing football
Ooh, football.
because there's 2 O's and a T.
And Isabella, which one are you doing?
Ice cream.
Oh my gosh, one of my favorites. Ice cream. I'm tempted to ask you what flavor. And William, what are you doing?
I'm doing dinosaur too.
Oh, cool. Oh, you mean dinosaur with the number 2 after it? I'm just kidding. Gabby, which one are you doing?
I'm trying my phone name Gabrielle, but I don't think it's gonna work because there's a bunch of low value numbers.
Oh, I think you might be right. Kelsey, what about you?
I'm giving myself a challenge to try and do everyone in this class here. I'm on my third.
Oh, you're doing everybody's name?
Mine's pretty easy, I think.
Oh gosh, I think that's not easy. That's a big challenge. Antarish, what about you? Antarish, what about you? What word are you working on?
Dinosaur.
Cool. And Sunyi?
I'm working on you. Now
Cool.
I got 57 for DINOSA.
Oh, but wait a minute, Antarish. I do not want you adding the numbers as you go. I want you adding the ones columns, doing your carry, and then the tens columns. Antarish, look at me in the eyes. I can't see you. All right, so do you understand how I want you to do this?
Mhm.
I want you to add the 4, the 9, the 4, the 9, the 9, the 1, the 1, and the 8, and then do the carry. Do you understand? Find tens, Antarish. Find tens.
Sorry, my pencil ran out of lead, so I was going to get another one.
Okay, lead is good. Sunyi, which one are you working on?
Computer.
Oh, I love that one. And who else wants to share?
I'm
Alexander,
working
have you
on
shared
penguin.
yours? Oh, penguin.
I'm working on penguin.
I like that. I like penguins. They're always so well dressed in their tuxedos.
Yep. Oh, penguin got 86. So close.
Did I spell it correctly?
Let me look. Yeah, that you spelled it correctly.
Mr. Kramer,
Yes.
I got my first one.
And what did you get?
Telephone.
Really? Wow. And who was that? Who just said that?
Mark.
Mark, that's awesome. How about you, Brennan?
I finished soccer and it's 63.
Yeah, I'm even surprised it's that high because soccer had so many low value letters. Sarah, what about you?
I finished my class and I'm doing Mathletes.
Oh, what is the value of Mathletes?
I haven't actually done it yet. I just picked it because.
Okay, cool. That's a really cool one. And Penny?
I just finished manatees and it's 68.
Wow. So 68. And Brennan, what did you say soccer was?
63.
And did you ever get slow sloths, Sarah?
Yes. I'm pretty sure it is 131.
Wait, how much?
131.
Wow. That is huge. And Raymond, how did basketball go?
It got to I think 60. I think I need to think some more.
Thinking more. Awesome.
I think it's 85.
You think it's 85. Now, Raymond, why don't you watch me find tens and let's see if I've missed any. So 5, 2, and 3 make 10. And my remainder is 2, 1, and 2 is 5. So that gives me, and what did you say it was, Raymond?
81.
81?
I mean 85.
And guess what, Raymond? I agree with you 100%. And Sunyi, which one did you do?
Computer.
Sunyi, which word did you do?
Computer.
How did that work?
111.
Wow. That's kind of cool. That computer was 111, which is divisible by 3. Kelsey, which one did you do? You did all the names.
Yeah, so I've gotten 1, 2, 3. I'm on my 5th.
Did anybody get close to 100?
My name has actually been the biggest one. I've had a tie of 2, actually, of 58. 2 people got 58.
Cool, cool. How about you, Sarah?
I got 95.
95?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. That's so cool. Wait, is that for Mathletes?
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing. And who did football?
Me.
And what did you get for football?
I got dinosaur 101.
No way. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. So 4, 8, 17, 25, 35, 45. I don't think I agree with that. I don't think I agree with that. I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
that one.
I think I got 95, but I would love it if somebody would prove me wrong. 8 and 9, 17 and 8, 25, 35,
Mr.
45.
Kramer.
Yes.
I got another one.
What'd you get, buddy?
Dinosaurs with the E because it's 95. So if you add an E, which is 5.
Oh, wait,
15.
wait. Maybe it is dinosaur-y.
I was 15.
What about 15?
I was 15, not 9.
It was 15, not 9. Oh, it's 15, not 9. Thank you. Thank you so much. So it is 101, everybody. It is 101. Thank you so much. That's so awesome. So dinosaur is so far the closest one that anybody's gotten to a dollar word. Although I think, Mark, you might have gotten one.
Yeah, I got telephone.
Telephone is a dollar word, everybody. Penny, what about you?
Well, I did fish because I thought it was going to be like really low. And I was surprised because the answer is 42.
Penguins
really
eat fish.
Cool. Wow. Everybody do me a favor. Look up at Mr. Kramer's screen for 1 minute because I want to show you a couple of really interesting things. Okay. If you look at Harry Potter is a wizard, the word wizard is not a dollar word. The word wizard is not a dollar word. However, if you add a suffix to it, it is a dollar word. So wizard is worth 81.
Wizard.
Can anybody tell me what you would have to add to wizard to make 19. It a dollar word? Say it out loud. Go.
Wizardies.
Wizards.
Wizardy.
That's right. You would know. You would have to add an
This
S,
is 19.
which is worth 19, and now wizards is a dollar word. I want you guys to do the same thing with elephant and squares. Figure out which musical instrument is a dollar word. The shortest dollar words in the world are nutty and buzzy. And this word, I don't even know what it means. Adiabatically is the longest dollar word at 13 letters. And oh, look at this, a telephone. Beautiful job. Everybody, you were amazing. I hope that algebra is a lifelong love for you and that this will help you do that. Remember what Alexander told you. Whenever he's anywhere and he sees a word, he tests it to see if it's a dollar word. And
Why
all
is
you have
there
to remember,
Afghanistan?
oh, Afghanistan is a country in I think it's in Asia,
It's
and
in like the
Afghanistan
Mediterranean
is in Asia.
right, and it was a very long war, and
because
that
there's a
word,
bad leader who's not being kind to people. So the United States had to do something about it.
yeah, I don't know. Sometimes you wonder if we should sort of mind our own business or if we should take care of the rest of the world. But anyway, guys, that's for another day. I'll see you guys very soon. Take care, everybody.
Wait,
And
I did my
enjoy your
name.
dollar word.
I did my name once.
And what's your name?
My name is 101 too. My
Oh,
name is the same as dinosaur.
that is amazing. Antarisk, awesome.
I actually got a tiebreaker for the closest to 100.
Which was?
No, I think it was Alexander's the closest so far. I'm on Raymond.
Oh my God. Well, try
I took a
Antarisk.
screenshot so I can try.
Don't forget to try Antarisk. Bye, guys. I gotta go. See
I
ya.
kind of just said it was 101.